guys and welcome back to my vlog. Today I am going to the, wait for it, Karan Aujla concert. I am so fucking excited. It's 2 p.m. now and I'm gonna quickly get dressed and then I'm gonna go to the hostel where I'm gonna meet my best friend Bhavika, and you guys are also gonna meet her, and then we'll go to the venue together. So let's get dressed and also revise Karan Aujla songs along the way. So my dad has this massive speaker at his house. Like, let me show you guys. This is like a suitcase speaker. Let me show you how loud it can get. I still don't remember this song. You see the difference? These are the earrings I'm wearing. I'm gonna do my eyeliner in the mirror because I can't possibly fuck that up, and I'll see you guys after that. So I think this looks good. Now the goal is to match it on the other eye. Quickly gonna do that. So I did my eyeliner. It looks decent, I think. Now I also put on blush, and now I'm gonna blend this. I've been trying to memorize this song for 2 whole months and I still haven't been able to perfect it. Karan Aujla is one of my favorite artists ever. He's so good at his lyrics and amazing. What a vibe. I look like a joker, but it'll blend. That is a lot of blush, but I'm blending it. It's not blending. How much blush is too much blush? This much blush is too much blush. चैन होगी एक कुड़ी फैन होगी औजले दे कन्ना विच नत्तियां करी दी नी कैर कुड़ी Also wait for it. These are my concert glasses. I'm gonna wear these and I'm good to go. See you guys when I reach the hostel. ये गाना तो आता है मुझे अच्छे से. So I thought I'll quickly talk about the concerts that I went to this year. The first concert that I ever went to was the Illuminati tour. Matter of fact, the video of which I'm uploading like right now. And it was amazing. Dude, the vibes at the Illuminati concert were immaculate. Like, I knew all the songs and me and my friend were vibing, I think, the most out of everyone there. And next I went to Dua Lipa. The crowd was very dead there. Wasn't as much fun as Diljit, but still banger concert. She is a goddess and I just heard that she got engaged. Broke my heart a little, but we move. And Diljit and Dua Lipa, and this is my 3rd concert of the year. But also I've realized that going to concerts is like very, very exhausting in every way, because the concert is at suppose 7. You would have to start getting ready by 1 or 2 because if you want to reach the venue, it's mad crowd. It's like jam packed. So you have to leave early. There's a lot of dhakka mukki happening, and you're stuck in traffic. There's no water. People are pushing each other. It's, you know, very sweaty. You can't breathe, and a lot of things like that. Also, inside the venue, what ends up happening is, like, I think for Diljit concert, they were not even giving bottles of water. They were giving glasses of water, like one glass for 100 rupees. And there's no point, because even if you were selling a bottle, I would buy it and keep it with myself. But I would have to finish the glass of water then and there itself. So it's just really unfair and undue of you to ask like 100 rupees for one glass of water that I can't even carry with myself. For the Dua Lipa concert, fuckers, what they did was, they said the water was free, like there were water coolers everywhere, but the glasses you had to buy. So you buy a glass, which was I think 100 rupees again, and you can keep the glass with yourself and you can refill it and everything. But then again, you have to buy a glass for 100 rupees. And otherwise, everything, like the drinks, the food, everything inside is mad expensive. And also you can't use your own cash or your UPI. You have to top it up in your band. So what ended up happening in Dua Lipa was, we recharged our bands for like 5,000 or something, and we weren't able to like avail all of it. So in the end, we had to buy random shit because we had to avail that, and it wasn't reimbursable. So this is something you know, you need to keep in mind before going to concerts. But I would say I hate people who stand at concerts like a dead body and they don't vibe. I hate a dead crowd. I mean, come on, you've come to a concert, you've spent like 10-15,000 on the ticket. Might as well just vibe, might as well, even if you don't know the lyrics, even if you like don't like the artist or anything, you just have to have fun. So when I go to concerts, my main aim is to like vibe and have fun and get good pictures and just have the best 3-4 hours of my life. So yes, that is Concert 101. I am also going to Coldplay next year. Mad excited for that. I'm going in Ahmedabad on 25th, and I have the standing tickets for that. So I'm very, very excited for that. And is it money well spent? It is. In my opinion, the experience is worth all the money that you end up spending on concerts. So let me show you how my makeup looks in this lighting. I think it's a major slay. Let me show you how my makeup looks in this lighting. Amazing. Why is there no light? Yes. So I was gonna show you guys that as I'm leaving for the Karan Aujla concert, look at what I'm doing. I'm uploading the Diljit vlog. And I hope you all like all these vlogs that I stupidly make. I'm gonna die of embarrassment one day if someone sees these, but I'm just gonna do it for the plot. I'm going out in the natural light. Is so pretty. I was thinking, agar yahan pe I can get good pictures. What is this lighting? Oh my god. This way. Too bright. But where can we get lighting? Where can I put my phone to get pictures? Nope. Yes. But phone kahan rakhu? Ah, so pretty. Favorite thing ever. God, so pretty. Guys, I just stood there for at least 20 minutes and clicked the most beautiful pictures I've ever clicked of myself in the entire life. Look at the way my hair, look at the way the red in my hair comes out in this light. I just cannot get over this. So now I'm gonna go back inside the house and then I'm gonna finally leave. But it's so cold, the air is so chilly here. I don't know how, and this is like 4 in the afternoon, so I don't know how we'll survive that long. But guys, I'm coming back to my college after so long, and they stopped me at the main gate and they said standing in front of VLTC, जहाँ मुझे हर रोज़ क्लास जाना है for the next 6 months. But nevertheless, very happy to come back to college after so. I have missed college the last 6 months so much, and as much as I loved being in Mumbai, this is where I belong. Like, I've had the best time of my life here, and I am so excited to be back, to be going to classes, not to be going to classes, but doing all the stuff that I used to before going. So it was all a dream. We have the tickets. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. We have a voucher. We also have the bill. Ta-da! VIP tickets. Husan tera toba, 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 toba. Hi. भाई शेक मत कर. ठीक है, जो भी है. This hostel is where I'm gonna live for the next 6 months, and let me try to give you guys like a little tour. So we have rooms on either side. We have this balcony. Pretty. And we also have, is it a badminton court? I don't know, something like that. But Ganga Hostel, I hope I am inside you. This feels so much like us, you know? Actually, we were on our way to the Karan Aujla concert, and somehow we ended up here. Yay! This is GT. This is my second home. So all the vlogs will be coming from here. So pretty. Guys, so ever since we listened to Karan Aujla, we were like the biggest Karan Aujla fans ever, and we have videos for proof. Obviously, we have इतने time से हम उसके सबसे बड़े fans हैं, and I can't. It is like a dream for us. It is a dream for us. It was all a dream. I know, and despite everything, I can't believe we are going to the concert finally. We are going to this concert together. I can't go there. ਤਿੰਨ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀ ਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ. ਹੋ ਤਿੰਨ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀ ਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ. ਹੋ ਕੋੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ. We made it. It was all a dream.
ਅੱਜ ਸਵਾਦ ਲੈਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਆਇਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਜੜੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ माहौल शुरू ही होया बाबे हले दा माहौल बेबी करना हाय जिद्दड़ दी मिली जट कुड़ी कहनी जी नहीं लगदा इश्क हो गया क्या जिद्दड़ दी मिली जट नू कुड़ी गेदी ची ची हाय लाग You're running, family. Hey, yo, I think they tell you that, Sarah. Hands up in the air. Hey, yo, lights on the crowd, please. Check these lights out, family. Everybody, hands up in the air. Fire in this is Sarah. Hands up there. Let's go. Louder.
Bad money. So funny. Post Karan Aujla scenes.
I hope they play Feel. But it's a Karan Aujla concert.